Viv, can you hear me? I've found our next target.
I see him. Same drill as usual. You hook him and soften him up, then I'll step in for the kill.
Hi, gorgeous. The name's Antonio.
Antonio, huh? Funny. 'Cause to me you look like more of a Craig Percival Edwards. You were about to tell me you're an investment banker. But really, you're a postman.
Do we know each other?
Thankfully, no. What I discovered about you in just a few seconds makes me nauseous. If I get to know you anymore, I'll have to have my stomach pumped.
I'm not sure who,
Listen, Craigie Poos, let me make this really easy. I'm not the girl for you, and I'm definitely not the kind of girl who goes for threesomes with Loretta, the fun and bouncy rubber playmate you keep in the attic.
I've got somewhere I need to be.
Good call, Junior. And next time you head to a cash machine, you might want to change your PIN number. 1234 is way too obvious.